Welcome back to LLB Tutorials. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the intricate world of the principle of legality and punishment. I'm Ella, and together, we'll unravel the layers of this crucial legal concept. In our ongoing exploration of legal principles, we've covered how legality guides the creation, validity, formulation, and interpretation of crimes. Now, let's venture into its role in the imposition of punishment. At the heart of legality and punishment lies the Latin maxim nulla poena sine lege, no penalty without a statutory provision or legal rule. This fundamental principle serves as a safeguard against arbitrary and unjust punishments by requiring a clear legal basis for imposing penalties. The ius acceptum principle is a pivotal aspect. It entails a dual requirement: not only must a court recognize an individual's conduct as a crime, but it also cannot impose a punishment unless that punishment is recognized or prescribed by statutory or common law. This ensures that penalties are not handed out arbitrarily but are firmly grounded in established legal norms. When we examine statutory crimes, legislative involvement becomes paramount. The legislature often specifies the maximum penalty for each offense. This isn't merely about defining crimes, it's about setting boundaries on punishment. If the legislature creates a crime, it's in the best interest of the principle of legality that they also specify the corresponding punishment, preventing arbitrary or excessive penalties. Now, let's navigate the complexities of the ius praevium principle. Picture it as a safeguard against retrospective punishment increases. If the penalty for a crime is raised, the change should not negatively impact individuals who committed the offense before the increase. This aligns with the right to a fair trial, ensuring the accused benefits from the least severe prescribed punishment at the time of the offense. Section 35(3)(n) of the Constitution is a cornerstone in this context. It emphasizes the right to a fair trial, explicitly protecting individuals from the retroactive application of increased punishments. It embodies the fundamental principle that laws should operate prospectively, not retrospectively, maintaining legal fairness. Shifting gears to the ius certum principle, clarity becomes our focus. The legislature must avoid vagueness or ambiguity when creating and describing punishments. This is paramount for maintaining legal certainty, preventing confusion, and ensuring the fair and consistent application of the law. Lastly, we arrive at the ius strictum principle. Faced with an ambiguous provision in an act prescribing punishment, the court is duty-bound to interpret it strictly. No broadening by analogy is permitted beyond the legislature's intended scope. This approach safeguards against arbitrary interpretations and extensions, ensuring a precise and just application of the law.
There you have it, legal enthusiasts! The principle of legality and punishment serves as a robust framework, ensuring that penalties are not only just but also clearly defined by law. If you found this detailed breakdown insightful, show some love by hitting the like button, sharing with your law school comrades, and subscribing for more in-depth LLB tutorials.